Good evening, my dear students. Let's move ahead for the chapter of quadrilaterals. As you remember from the previous videos, that we have solved up to 8.6 theorems of the quadrilateral with brief introduction. Now it's time for the theorem 8.7. The statement is what? If the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other, then it is a parallelogram. See, it's very clear here. Just it is a quadrilateral. Means it is not a parallelogram. I would like to remind you one thing. When this is given to us, whether this is a quadrilateral or parallelogram, if they give you the parallelogram, you can utilize all the properties of the parallelogram. But if just is given it is a quadrilateral, you cannot use any property of parallelogram. So if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other, then it is a parallelogram. We have to show ABCD is a parallelogram. Means opposite sides are equal and parallel. So this is given to us that OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. Okay. We have to show given OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD, means these two parts OA is equal to OC and OD is equal to OB. And diagonal AC is bisecting to diagonal BD and diagonal BT bisecting to diagonal AC, dividing equal two parts. What we have to show, this is a parallelogram. So let's do the solution. We will see the approach of the congruency to show this ABCD is a parallelogram. Let's take any two opposite triangles. I am taking triangle AOB, triangle AOB and DOC, triangle DOC. In these two opposite triangles, this one and this one, you can see very clearly that OB is equal to OD. This is given to us, so mention given, and OC is equal to OA is equal to OC of the triangle DOC. As I already told you, but I would like to remind you that when you take triangle DOC at the second place and AOB at first place, write left side parts of AOB and right side parts of DOC, which are corresponding. Now OB is equal to OD and O is equal to OC. This is also given to us, and one angle is there after two sides. That angle is AOB. AOB is equal to angle DOC. These are vertically opposite angles. These are vertically opposite angles. So both the triangles AOB congruent to the triangle DOC by side angle side congruency rule. Both the triangles are congruent by the congruency rule. Now when the triangles are congruent, you can see here this angle of triangle AOB is equal to this angle of triangle DOC, which are corresponding. We write angle BAO is equal to angle OCD, which are by CT. When these angles are equal, these are alternate angles, and when alternate angles are equal, you can see AB is parallel to CD. Similarly, I am writing here, similarly, AD is parallel to BC. We will take now second time these two triangles to prove that triangles are congruent. So these two sides are parallel. When all four sides are parallel, you can see opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. So quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Hence proved. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe the channel. I am making a small video which will not make bore to you. Thank you.